Welcome to Health Abshar. Godiva Mall is a famous mall in Malaysia. Located in the famous mid-valley city of southwest Kuala Lumpur. Godiva chocolate was named after Lady Godiva. Drapes chose the name Godiva for his chocolate company. Godiva Mall has all kinds of quality items and is decorated during every festival in Malaysia, and its beauty is decorated with lights during the Christmas festival. Even after 100 years, its quality has established its structure. Every Godiva piece is filled with quality, Belgian craftsmanship, and the world's best ingredients.